Hi, this is the video tutorial for the slide menu in general settings. So before we get in this, let's actually define what the slide menu is. And for that, let me go to the preview here, and you see menu, and you click menu, and it slides out, hence the name slide menu. So that's what we're going to look at, and those are what the options we're going to look at here at slide menu. So let's start here with slide menu settings, and we'll open that up. And what you can do here is you can have, in fact, let me hit click show menu so it'll pop out here. Uh, you can show where it slides out from the right or from the left. And that's just, completely your preference, whatever you want to do. Same thing with the display method. If you want it to overlay on top of the content or push the content, that's completely up to you too. So that's the slide menu settings, and then we have the slide menu links. And you see all these links, and this is why it's vitally important that you put in your content first. You don't worry about where it shows up on the app or any. You go through and you put in all of your content first. If I didn't have any content, then none of this would show up. So that's why it's vitally important to do your content first. So this is what you can do here. You can move things around. Say I want emergency numbers above rules and regulations, and you see it over here, rules and regulations, emergency numbers, and you see these up and down arrows. Just means that you can move things. You can drag and drop them. So let me just hold it and drag it and drop it, and there you go. It moves it above rules and regulations. I'm just going to move it back below there. Let's click the plus button here, and actually I'm going to do it on emergency numbers. And the options here is you can show this or not show it. So we're at emergency numbers right there. We're going to click no, and then it goes away. Depending on your app, you may have a button on the front page or the main page or home page that that does everything that you want it to do, and you don't want it in the slide menu. There are many reasons why you may or may not want to show something on the slide menu. You can obviously change the wording. Say instead of I want to say emergency numbers, I just want to say phone numbers. As you can see now, it changed it to phone numbers. Uh, you can select the icon. There's tens of thousands of icons that you can choose from, and that's completely up to you what you want to do. Let me change that back, and that's really it for the slide menu links. That's all you do here, and that concludes this tutorial for slide menu under general settings.